Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Peeper Popsicle in Booga Booga Reborn. First, you must understand that this item is highly sought after due to its unique abilities. The process involves several distinct stages, each crucial for success. We will cover gathering the necessary materials, performing the correct ritual, and finally claiming your reward. This is the single, proven method to acquire this special item. To begin, your journey takes you to the frigid ice biome. Here, you need to gather 5 frozen tears, which are small, glowing drops found near ice formations. Next, venture into the deepest caves to locate 3 shimmering crystals, often hidden behind breakable walls. Finally, you must defeat the formidable frost giant to obtain its rare drop, one ancient stick. These components are absolutely essential. With all your ingredients in hand, travel to the northern peaks and find the ancient frozen altar. This mystical structure is often shrouded in mist. Carefully place the 5 frozen tears, 3 shimmering crystals, and the 1 ancient stick onto the altar's surface. The final, critical step is to activate the altar precisely during a full moon cycle. Timing is key for the ritual to succeed. Once the ritual is complete and successful, the Peeper Popsicle will materialize directly on the altar. Simply pick it up to add it to your inventory. Equip this powerful item to unlock its special abilities, which can significantly enhance your gameplay. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.